Hey, what's up guys? Usman here, back with another video, and today we're going to talk about the Meta Ads MCP server. This was just launched, I think yesterday. I just got an email from Meta that it has been made available, and I was just using it, I was just setting it up, so I thought, okay, why not film a video for you guys? To all those people who have, who don't want to read these articles and go through these developer jargons, and just set it up very easily. So I filmed this video and I have a very easy method instead of the developer method that they have listed over here. So there's a very easy and simple effective method for you to set up the MCP server inside ChatGPT and Claude. Okay, so the first thing is that what is an MCP server and what is a Meta Ads MCP server? So MCP servers basically allow you to integrate your AI platforms with any other platform out there. Okay, so Meta just made their MCP server available, which means you can connect Meta with your AI directly, no third-party software in between, and you need to have no coding knowledge for this. Okay, before we dive into the integration, I want to give you a quick background about myself. So my name is Usman and I'm the founder of Dream Good HQ, a digital marketing agency that helps 6 and 7 figure e-commerce brands scale with Meta Ads creative strategy. We have about $300,000+ in managed ad spend and $500,000+ in spend behind our creatives. So if you're an e-commerce brand struggling with scaling on Meta and need a better creative ad strategy, go to dreamgoodhq.com and apply for a free creative growth audit. And here's one of our recent case study where we took a brand from £43,000 a month to £143 a month in revenue in just 5 months using Meta Ads. And this is how their Shopify store looks like. I also have a Meta Ads screenshot here as well. You can see it. We have like 3 campaigns. When I started working, we only had a scaling campaign which was spending £100 a day, and now we have scaled it to £500 a day, and then we have a testing campaign which is spending £150 a day, depending on how many ads we're testing at any given time. And then we also set up a retargeting campaign. The result is that we were able to get, if you see the purchase conversion value over here, £270,000, and the ROAS is kept still at 3.36. It's very stable, and this shows you that the campaign is pretty profitable. You can look at the click-through rate as well. So everything's going pretty fine for this account and we are still scaling. Okay, we're gonna start with the ChatGPT integration first. Open ChatGPT, click your profile on the left bottom corner and then go to settings, and then you need to go to security and login. And over here we're gonna turn on developer mode. Okay, then you on the left sidebar inside ChatGPT, go to the plugins tab and then hit this plus button. This will open a new dialog for you, a new pop-up. Over here we're gonna set up our MCP server. Okay, so just give it a name. You can give any name you like. In this case I'm going with Meta MCP. Inside connection, make sure you have server URL selected, and you put this MCP URL, which is mcp.facebook. Inside authentication, it should be OAuth selected, and don't go to the advanced OAuth settings. Just make sure this is checked and then hit create. Once you do that, you're gonna have this new pop-up. So what you need to do, just click on this and it will take you to Facebook. Now make sure you have the Facebook account with the Meta Ad account. You have the right Facebook account over here, the one that has access to your Meta Ads account. If not, then you can switch your Facebook account from here, and over here you just have to give permissions. So give permissions to the pages, to the businesses, and to the Instagram account. So just click continue to all of them, and then grant final permissions, product catalog, and then manage ads for ad accounts and all that. So yeah, these are all the permissions that we need to give to ChatGPT. So just hit save, and yeah, it's gonna give you this success message. After that, go back to ChatGPT, and inside permissions, make sure you have allow low risk actions, which is the default option. Make sure this one is selected, because now ChatGPT has full control over your Meta Ads account, and it can also delete campaigns and ads. So you do not want that. It can also increase your budget, do all of those things. So this is the option to go. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's gonna integrate MCP inside ChatGPT. Now the next thing we're gonna do is connect it to Claude, which is pretty similar, except that you do not have to turn on developer options over here. So just go to Claude, inside connectors, click add, and then instead of going into browse connectors, you add a custom connector over here. Okay, add custom connector. It's gonna open up a pop-up where you're gonna do the same thing. Give it a name, put the MCP URL over here, and do not type anything over here. Just leave these blank. Hit add. So it's gonna ask you to connect to Facebook. So hit connect, and then you're gonna see the same exact dialog. So just give all these permissions, and then your Claude will be connected to the MCP server. And so yeah, if you want to test this integration, you can go to ChatGPT, you can go to Claude, make sure you have the connector selected, and then you can give a prompt, something like give me past 7 days data, or give me the last 30 days data, and then you can play with it and start using it. In the next few videos, I'm gonna try to use this MCP to do a bunch of cool stuff. And so stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and put a comment down below on the next video you want me to cover. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.